and welcome to Jardin, Oakland. Today is one of the days in the Tulsa area that they are screaming about on the forecast that it's going to get down to about 29 tonight. So I'm going to kind of show you guys a little bit of what everything looks like before said frost. It'll probably be one of those moments where we'll be singing the Sarah Mclachlan song tomorrow. You know, I will. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you a few things here in just a few seconds. My dear sweet volunteer tomato that the wind has blown would probably look like this had the wind not blown it over and had I put support on it. But still a few little tomatoes. I'll probably pull those off and let them ripen on the counter. I thought about putting a blanket over this or something to kind of keep it protected, but I don't know. Maybe we should let it go. And some little posies that my little garden troll planted. Oh, we've been calling Audrey the garden troll. She's also called the garden gnome. I forget which one she said she likes more, but got the pineapple mint up here that was gifted to me by a friend. And this is the front yard, or front flower bed. So I'm gonna say that these little guys will probably be gone tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, my quick PSA is that with these marigolds and all of the mums, when they start looking like they're dying, the little blooms, just deadhead them and toss them, and they will produce more flowers. You can see some more coming in right here, but always keep them watered and they'll, you know, come back. This one, Audrey, has high hopes that it'll come back, but anyway, we need to deadhead some of these. We're getting a little behind because we have too much. But this one was from last year, and I just let it die back and put it in the corner up against the house, and it came back in the springtime. It was green and then bloomed again. So let's go ahead and go back to the backyard. All right, so these herbs probably will not make it, but we will see. It's kind of a mess back here, a little bit of a construction zone. I need to pick some eggplants, it looks like. Then we've got the radishes. They still got kind of beaten up by all those little worms. Okay. May have something coming in. I'm gonna just kind of keep them going. Poor things. French breakfast radishes. Remember, they were really infested with worms, but got a little bit back there. Some of them that are really trying. They're trying to bounce back. My assembly video for the green stalk is not allowing me to post it. So, but here are the things that we have going on. Saffron from yesterday, from the last video, it's doing pretty well. Gonna bloom probably tomorrow, I'd say, or open up, I guess, because it's already bloomed. But all of the things, this is what they look like today before the crazy 29 degrees and then go back to 70 degrees. All right, then we've got these just like tomatoes that I randomly planted here to see what they would do in that borage-esque type plant. Got a little trash there, sorry. Another tomato. Pumpkins on a stick. It's kind of turning into a little bit of a chore today, but oh look, Brad's atomic tomatoes. I might go ahead and pick those and stick them in my pocket. Let's see, they're a little green, but we'll see what happens. See how they taste. got all my little basil and sage. Might try to just, I don't know, pull some of the seeds that I can, and I'm not very optimistic that they're gonna be okay. Artichokes, and the leeks, those homely Homer tomatoes, this other saffron, so pretty. And bye-bye cucamelons, I'll never forget you. Oh, it's not focusing, there we go. I'll never forget you. Okay, and I have some brassicas up here that are getting eaten up by stuff. Need to come out and do this. These peppers are probably going to be complete toast tomorrow, so we will say our farewells. Grapes and blackberries and the okra. Ooh, that one has a pretty bloom on it. Look at that. Let's see. Here we go. And then goodbye loofah. You'll probably be gone tomorrow too. Eggplants. Little lonesome rutabaga. Squash. The herbs. I may put a blanket over these guys. I'm not sure what to do. So this is the way the backyard looks now. I wanted to show you guys before I posted the video. Look at this. Poor little loofah. But letting them dry on the vine and see what happens post frost. So all these poor guys are just disappearing on me. There's a little zucchini down there. But lost everything, or lost the basil, but pretty much. But all the other things look like they're still gonna do all right. So the herbs, you can see the ones that are pretty hardy for frost or cold weather, and all the basils demolished. And something maybe sticking in that, trying to figure out what it is. But oh wow, look, the little pumpkins on a stick look like they still had some stuff producing, but there's that. Of course, the radishes are still, you know, looking a little peaked, but they made it through the winter, or the frost, the winter. There's the other ones. And then these herbs, I have them under my covered porch. And it looks like the basil is trying to make it through, but all the other little guys are okay. Got some loofah still drying. Beans and eggplants and those potatoes in the construction zone. So, here's my little harvest. So, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys before I wanted to show you guys in the same video of the before and after of the frost that happened. But yeah, so happy post-frost harvesting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.